Hello everyone and welcome back to Unity. Got my development build of my game. You guys can see. Ooh, that's bright. But I don't know how to fix that mouse. If someone wants to tell me. And like this episode I decided I'm going to show you people my game. You guys haven't seen it in a while. So first of all, let's check out this crafting. This looks weird in this build. Yeah, I'm going to have to resize some of this stuff to look nice. But anyways, it is crafting. Keep on crafting. Click this. Bam. Axe. Can't do anything with it, but, I can still do that. So that's one thing. Hold on, I have hacks. Hacks. Bam. I just hacked, if you guys didn't know. And this is water now. Like, this is a tremendous upgrade. Let me go out to the ocean. And I am still thinking about making it underwater. So if you people want to see that, click that like button. So this is the ocean. Not too bad. To say so myself. You guys didn't get to... Actually, you guys probably won't be able to because I deleted the menu thing and whatever for returning to the menu. There's a bunch of errors when I was trying to turn this into a build. And it wasn't very happy with me saving my game, all that stuff, And that had stuff to do with saving games. So, I didn't want to go through that. I wanted to get you people the video out sooner. I'm that nice. Gotta go to Windows, actually, to close this, So guys, today we're going to be working in Blender. You people are probably hating me, People asking, what is Blender? And Well, it's 3D modeling software. See, I got this amazing cube. And I won't die. Starting stuff. So, I need to make myself a new axe, because I got that nice crude one, but not no good one. And all that stuff. And I think I can show people the basic stuff of Blender. You go to that nice edit mode, click this square thingy, do that, and then press E, and then that, and that, and that, I guess. And you would go back to object mode, this little wrench thingy, go over to here, subdivision surface, make it like 3, and then apply that, and go to sculpt. And I can draw, and then do something like that, something like this, some of that, some of this, and smooth it off, make this top flat here, if you can see what I'm doing here, I think you people know, like, you people get it, people have decent enough intelligence to know what I'm doing. So, go to a new one. So, I'll probably start like maybe a time lapse of this and stuff. Yeah, that's how. Alright, everyone, I got a basic model. Doesn't look the best, but it's still a model. I want to go into texture and stuff. If I go to this, not that, this man. Alright, guys, you're gonna make it the wood. It's always what we gotta have. Gotta have that wood. Go into my image, texture, open one. My desktop. Got my wood. Got 2 woods actually. gonna change this to a sphere. Make it extend. Maybe I'll keep it repeat. Try something new. Then come over to here. I want to go to surface color. Change it to an image. And then open that as well to be wooed. And I think you people know what I'm doing at this point. Yeah, it is time for the fun part. Making it metallic and stuff. I want full roughness. Actually, no metallicness. I think that's actually pretty good. I don't want to go to texture paint. See, it doesn't look the best, but it's still lewd. Now I need to find, some metal stuff. More like I need to do metal stuff, which I don't really like to do. Painting textures is weird. And guys, here's it in the game. As you can see, I'm in the editor this time. I don't know about putting it in the thing for like a hotbar slot. Give it the option between two, But yeah, I got this working right now, and that should be the video. And hope you people enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.